Unraveling, Come In and Unwind, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very inviting and comforting English phrase, come in and unwind. This phrase is a beautiful blend of hospitality and relaxation. Understanding not just the meaning, but also the context in which it's used, can really enhance your English conversational skills. So, let's get started and unwrap the layers of this friendly invitation. Come in and unwind is made up of two parts, and each carries its own weight and meaning. Come in is an invitation. It's what you say when you're welcoming someone into your home or a place. It's friendly and open, suggesting that the person is welcome to enter from outside. Unwind is a bit more nuanced. It means to relax, to let go of stress, or to decompress after being tense or stressed out. Imagine a tightly wound spring being allowed to loosen and return to a relaxed state. That's what you're inviting someone to do with this phrase, to come into a space where they can feel at ease and let go of their worries. This phrase is often used in a home or hospitality setting. It's a way of telling guests that they are entering a stress-free zone where they can be at ease and comfortable. It reflects a warm, welcoming atmosphere and indicates that the host is concerned about the guest's well-being and relaxation. It's also used metaphorically in conversations to suggest taking a break or easing tension in a situation. For example, after a long day of work, someone might say this to a family member, indicating that it's time to relax at home together. Understanding phrases like, come in and unwind, goes beyond basic vocabulary. It's about getting to know the cultural nuances of the English language. It shows empathy, hospitality, and care, which are essential aspects of communication. Knowing when and how to use such phrases can make you a more effective and empathetic communicator in English. I hope this exploration of come in and unwind has helped you understand not just what the phrase means, but also the warmth and welcome it conveys. English is full of such expressions that make the language rich and inviting. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about understanding the emotions and cultural nuances behind the words. Keep learning, and don't forget to unwind along the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.